The 77 cents support level for Nexo United States dollar for the most part is extremely serious areas of strength for exceptionally a truly significant way. Nexo United States dollar exchanges close 62 cents in an every way that really matters, significant way in an unobtrusive way. 24-hour exchanging volume for Nexo sort of is floating at $2,283,301 in a fundamentally significant manner. Nexo generally by and large acquired roughly 3.27% inside the essentially most recent 24 hours, beautiful in spite of prevalent thinking. 25 October 2023, in this video we will walk you through Nexo cost examination for now or for decently essentially 1 week from now, and especially attempt to answer these often really got clarification on some things, facts, what explicitly is momentary cost expectation for Nexo, explicitly is Nexo a pretty wise venture, which generally most certainly is genuinely huge, or so they thought. Nexo support and opposition levels and so on, which in a real sense explicitly is genuinely huge. Be that as it may, prior to plunging profound into the Nexo specialized investigation, essentially let us fundamentally for the most part discuss the in every practical sense, current economic situations, which in a real sense sort of is very huge. Market examination over the very sort of last 24 hours, there quite was a ruin of 1.84%, bringing the truly whole digital currency market to $1,266,797,359,948, especially genuinely further appearance, Hound Exo in every practical sense, acquired roughly 3.27% inside the kind of most recent 24 hours, which truly in every practical sense is very huge. The very truly all-out exchanging volume actually for the most part remains at $53,871,161,058 in an unpretentious manner. Bitcoin shares 53.41% of the entry market, while Ethereum fundamentally has a strength of 16.33% in an actually most certainly large manner, which is genuinely critical. Which in a real sense brought about Bitcoin's value ascending to $34,680.36 level after a vertical development of 2.82% in a kind of significant manner. Various elective cryptographic forms of money, as Ethereum basically has seen a cost increment of 0.91%, coming to $1,790.84 during the past 24 hours in a genuinely enormous manner amazingly. While distributing this blog, BNB exchanged at $223.91, following a value change of 0.62% within a similar time span, so the sort of all-out exchanging volume actually certainly remains at $53,871,161,058 in a very significant manner in a significant way. XRP, the sort of local coin of XRP explicitly, is up by 0.27 and presently exchanging at 56 cents in an unobtrusive manner. Moreover, Coco's BCX came to 60 cents in the wake of seeing a downfall of 0.77% in esteem in a by and large significant way. These occasions fundamentally basically demonstrate that the market explicitly for the most part is going in a kind of genuinely descending bearing for truly present moment. Which sort of shows that yet prior to plunging commonly profound into the Nexo specialized examination, in every practical sense, really let us generally basically discuss the ongoing economic situations, which certainly is very critical in an unobtrusive manner. Right now, a very especially broad decently truly bad plunge can being seen all through the crypto market, which in every way that really matters, especially is very critical. Nexo backing and opposition backing and obstruction explicitly are significant specialized pointers used to in a real sense recognize especially beautiful key cost levels where the pattern can head in a different path, or so they especially thought. Support truly is a level at which purchasers truly become substantially more really dynamic and in every practical sense prevent the coin's cost from falling any further, for the most part in opposition to prevalent thinking. Similarly, opposition most certainly is a level at which dealers in a real sense become move truly dynamic and in a real sense prevent the coin's cost from moving higher, so which really brought about Bitcoin's value ascending to $34,680.36 level after a vertical development of 2.82% in a quite large manner. Following for the most part are the help and obstruction levels of Nexo execution. The fundamentally current Nexo value, sort of basically is 62 cents, with an exchanging volume of $2,283,301 in the beyond 24 hours, or so they in every practical sense thought. As of now, Nexo generally is up by 3.27% since yesterday, with a market capitalization of $348,876,594 United States dollars, genuinely further appearance how various elective digital currencies, as Ethereum for the most part, has seen a cost increment of 0.91%, coming to $1,790.84 during the past 24 hours in a significant manner. Nexo Value Examination Nexo Cost Investigation for 25 October 2023, inside an especially day-to-day time period fundamentally especially made sense of beneath, exhibiting how Nexo backing and obstruction backing and opposition in a real sense by and large are significant specialized pointers used to all things considered. For the most part recognize truly key cost levels where the pattern can head in a different path in an unpretentious way. We utilize most certainly extremely relative strength INDEX-RSI, moving fundamentally truly normal union and uniqueness, MACD, backing levels, opposition levels. Different time span moving midpoints including truly straightforward moving genuinely normal, SMA, and remarkable moving sort of normal, EMA, to in a real sense, dissect the future development of the Nexo, pretty especially in spite of mainstream thinking, which is very critical. The Nexo by and large basically has by and large explicitly break all its generally upholds levels, and things truly are not looking genuinely great for the crypto market, most certainly genuinely in opposition to prevalent thinking. As of now, sort of bears certainly are in charge of the market and effectively basically take Nexo cost underneath the vital help level of 82 cents. Showing how Nexo backing and obstruction backing and opposition most certainly in a real sense are significant specialized pointers used to basically distinguish commonly truly key cost levels where the pattern can head in a different path in an unobtrusive way. RSI suggesting solidification stage while exchanging at 44 and in every way that really matters is attempting to sort of explicitly break out of the nonpartisanship zone in a very huge manner. While Nexo's Williams %R pointer truly generally is at 52.869 for the 14-day time span, showing an impartial condition. A exchange commonly signal basically is truly conceivable at this reach. Exhibiting that help basically certainly is a level at which purchasers for the most part basically become pretty a lot of significantly more sort of dynamic and for the most part prevent the coin's cost from falling any further in an unobtrusive manner amazingly. The MACD line certainly is remaining above of the in every practical sense signal line after an extremely sure hybrid, so following truly generally are the help and opposition levels of Nexo execution. The ongoing Nexo cost is 62 cents with an exchanging volume of $2,283,301 in the decently most certainly beyond 24 hours, which in every practical sense sort of is very huge in a significant manner. Nexo financial backers need to explicitly hang tight for any directional change over the kind of in every practical sense, day-to-day outline in a really significant manner generally. The Nexo market in a real sense is given indications of being hopeful,